Broccoli steps from mist, shirtless, barefoot, skin glistening under broken sun. No map, no noise, no enemy, only the wild. He moves. A monkey screeches. Vines twitch above. He leaps onto a fallen log, springs upward, flips, and lands silently on a high branch. Below, a river snakes. He watches, then dives. Underwater, roots web the depths. He swims smooth, dodging spikes of stone. A giant catfish brushes past. He surfaces near a waterfall, mist coating his face. Eyes focused. He climbs the slippery wall. Frogs scatter. Rocks crumble. His fingers lock into cracks. Feet grip crevices. At the top, wind hits. He stands on a ledge, wind sweeping his hair back. Behind him, thunder. A downpour. He runs through rain. Feet slap moss. Lightning splits the sky. A tree cracks and falls in front. He vaults it in one motion, fluid, instinctive. Ahead, ruins. Stone pillars tangled in roots. Carvings faded by centuries. He enters a circle of stones. A snake slithers near his ankle. He stops. Waits. It passes. He bows. Respect. Then a hiss. 3 wild boars burst from ferns. They charge. He sidesteps the first. Grabs its tusk, flips over, and lands behind. Second one lunges. He leaps over it, twists midair, lands, slides under the third. Rain mixing with mud, skin, breath. The boars flee. He stands still. Breath even. Body loose. He walks deeper. Birds scatter from a dead tree. He touches its bark. Burnt. Scorched. Lightning strike. A massive boulder blocks the path. He touches it. Finds a crack. Presses. A hidden lever. The rock shifts. A hidden cave opens. He enters. Dark. Cold. Dripping echoes. Bats flutter above. He walks slow, every step precise. A pit opens beneath, trap. He flips sideways mid-stride, lands on the wall, pushes off, and lands safe. Inside the chamber, a giant face carved in stone. Eyes hollow, mouth open. Roots hang like hair. Inside the mouth, something glows faint. He steps forward, places hand on the glow. Nothing, but the chamber shifts. Walls tremble. A gust of wind roars from the mouth. He doesn't move. He closes his eyes. The wind stops. He opens them. The glow vanishes. He leaves. Back outside, the rain stops. Sun pierces clouds. He climbs a tall tree, fast, agile. From the top, the entire jungle rolls like green ocean. He stands on one leg, balanced, arms raised. Breeze touches him. Then silence. He leaps from the tree. Midair spin. Lands perfectly in a clearing. Around him, animals gather. Deer, panther, monkey, owl. They watch. Not afraid. He sits cross-legged. Eyes closed. Breathing in rhythm with wind. One with the jungle. Free.